Welcome to this tutorial video on how to email a sheet in both CSV and Excel formats. Now I have a sheet called Inventory Management, and I'm going to email this sheet in Excel format by clicking the three-dot options icon on the sheet. The Sheet Options page will open, where you need to click on Email Excel option to initiate the email process. Click on the email application to proceed with sending the sheet. The sheet has been successfully sent via email in Excel format. Let's open the Sheet Options again to send the sheet in CSV format. Click the Email CSV option to initiate the email process. The sheet has been sent via email in CSV format. That's it. I hope you now understand how to share a sheet through email in both CSV and Excel formats. See you in the next tutorial.